What's up guys, it's me Monster Tech and this is the Motorola Moto G3. Today I will show you how to install CyanogenMod 13 with the pen drive or memory card. You can use both things. And first of all, power off your device and hold power button and volume up key. But if your device doesn't go into the bootloader mode and it starts rebooting, then hold the power button again, and when the device turn off, then you have to press both the volume keys at the same time. And this device support USB OTG, so you can install with CyanogenMod 13 with the USB OTG or with a memory card. So now scrolling with the volume up and down key, select the recovery mode with the power key, and then you are in the TWRP recovery. So first of all, make a backup of your current ROM. So I will select microSD card, and if you are using USB OTG, you can select that. And I already make the backup, so I'm not backing up again. And now select everything except microSD card and USB OTG and swipe to wipe. I already make the video how to install TWRP recovery, everything, unlocking the bootloader, rooting the phone in my previous video. So now go to install microSD card and select CyanogenMod 13 and swipe to confirm flash. So links in the description box of downloading both the files, GApps and CyanogenMod 13. Now select GApps. So you have to download the GApps. ARM 6.0 micro will be the best. It has important few apps of the Google, so it is sufficient. So after that installation, click wipe cache and LV cache and swipe to wipe. So reboot the system. So every process will take few seconds, but I have skipped all the part to save your and my time. Now rebooting will take approximately 5 to 6 minutes and it will optimize apps. So wait for a few minutes more, and after that initial setup wizard will be shown here. Now select your language and next, and select your Wi-Fi network, set up your Google account, everything. This will take few minutes. So after that, just now the setup wizard has been completed. So you can select Google Now launcher or Trebuchet launcher. So now you can change the launcher by pressing home key again, and you can select always to set this for always. And now here's the CyanogenMod 13. Now go to the setting and I will show you the Android version. Let me lower the brightness a little bit, and I'll go to the about phone and see the Android version here. 6.0.1 Android Marshmallow, and you can update it daily if you want, and tap the bill number 7 times. So I will show you how to enable root. So in this also enable advanced reboot option to directly go to the bootloader and recovery. And here's the root access option. Select apps only or apps and ADB. So select apps and ADB, and if you want to just use ADB commands also, and enable the Android debugging. Now press back, and also I will show you the memory consumption. So here's the 1.3 GB RAM free out of the 2 GB RAM, and in the storage and USB you can see 1.15 GB used out of 11.81. So here's the CyanogenMod 13 or the Google apps, stock, premium and fast. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe down below, and if you have any question about this video, comment it in the comment box. And also you can share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel for more videos. I will catch you guys in my next video.